Gar. Hindi kaya.
Down memory lane with this rap, I can still look out in this crowd, be wild and be taken up back. I'm simply stating a fact. I had Green Bay Stadium packed, but now we're on a path headed to nowhere and fast. Another terrorist attacks like a terror. Roll path of Madison Square up. Alas, we perish in the blast that is scaring us. We pass knowing we're fearless. We're just
ashes blowing in the air. I was on fire, but we don't care.
Hey, hey, hey!
I must have got you in somewhat of a debacle. Plus some stuff that's awful really don't mean nothing, although there's a lot of shit I said in jest. Just tough to swallow. Ribbon times my heart, it seems like it's in the wrong place. It's probably cause it's on my sleeve. Keanu Reeves, speed of life, avoid a veer or just get tortured. We're only looking forward, but where we're going, we have no idea. Nowhere to go, but hysterical. It's getting warm in here. I set the world on fire. It's born to be an arsonist. Just one spark and it's lit, but I'ma still get dark on this shit. Told you I'd leave my mark on this bitch. War machine, but you forced me in the corner. I'm sure to have something for your ear. And in the course of the assault, it's torture gets more severe. Go to war with me, you end up looted. Timbuktu, I send it you a 10-ton nuke like Kim Jong-un and end up ruining your career. But when all is said and done, and at the end of my run, I just rewind clocks. Forever young, make time stop. Will I ever fall off? That day I'll never come to the pine box. Bitch, fuck you. I'm better than I ever was. Till the bomb drops, hope it never does. But I'm not gonna sweat it, cause the world's screwed, it's already fucked, and I'm on top. So everyone's just
Ashes blowing in the air. I was on fire, we don't care. Wasted youth, always on the road, and never looking back, and we never getting old. 'Cause the skies are black, but our hearts made it gold. Fuck you when you told. We're going nowhere, going
stubborn, so looking out the other. We're young, we're young, we're young. Who knows what the future for us could hold? Another shooter, uh-oh. No more tomorrows. We're done, and all we are is
ashes blowing in the air. I was on fire, but we don't care. Wasted youth, always on the road, and never looking back, and we're never getting old. 'Cause the skies are black, but our hearts made it gold. Fuck you and what you told. We're going nowhere. 'Cause we're going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going nowhere. Going nowhere fast.
when the whole world see you as toxic,
crash sites. Informed by niggas that spoke the game culture fluence. Assuring that some black is money and some influence. Thank God for the album I idolize. It's dark and blood that is hot at the start of this crazy ride. Two young niggas, me and Dave beside the garage. That up with J and Dave at the lane that we tried to drive. Truthfully, I just started rapping to get away. I never thought that your favorite rapper was one of first. My nigga got hit 25 times with a cake. Make the decision, ride the beat or ride in the hearse. Now Punch is my mentor, Top Dog is the coach. J-Rock is my older brother, I was there when he wrote his name on his record deal. We are here at the coast. We live on the past still, once the shit hit the stove. Found ourselves scrabbling, trying to figure it out. So told me that the record shop about to go on the track. You ain't got a place to stay if I just sleep on the couch. We eating off each other, so the dollar mean you amount. Meanwhile, the coast going hard and each other. They used to represent more than some of the OG's comfort, but I ain't need this. I never screamed out the New West, I didn't believe it. They broke each other down, I was planning out my achievements. I need to separate myself to stand out. I need a better way to take your fans now. I need to kill you motherfuckers dead now. Just think that you're here, I'll be damned if they chop us down now. And we never asked for no handouts in the midst of it all. I recall the call when you said how we can never resolve in the Hall of Fame. And I went to trial with a pipe on rifle. I play the game as I play the fly. I'm the back and the nigga. And if they said that I'm the one way wax and me nigga. Cause when the whole world see you as possible, we start getting enough pressure to make you just open to put the danger and break the God that you're making. Or live your life in the making. Just all that knows is a simple and hurt that is quite contagious. I need to separate myself to stand down. I need a better way to take your fans now. I need to give you motherfuckers things down. Just make that head up and damn it, this is now. And we never ask for no handout. So take you back to that pack of black and mask in my hand now. The mission is always cooking and I can stand down. Looking forward to shooting out the wall and the straight down. Fast forward as I wait in line for this passport. The homies was still poor, working the transport. Whoever thought that Rosenberg could mention me to Drake. Even Vanessa from Double XL that told him press play. And there goes my face, now I'm on the stage with Snoop. Gave me the torch and I ran with it in hot pursuit. Rap with my forefathers, even record we got two. Lyricists under year, what am I supposed to do? Right? Laughing at you niggas out there who thought we was flukes. The saturated shit we rap came true. Thought I was aggravated when Warner had let me loose. I was honored, see they was haunted when Mike Jones didn't recoup. Cool. Cause niggas know I'm doing in the booth. Even when my album leaked, fans still buy it for proof. I came, I saw, I conquered. No shame, I blame all of this on Compton. Thinking about when Shereen tried to set me up. Cold game full circle, they these 12 souls to fight through a night. She wrong and right that I prolong. The story, the short film, the glory and him and them. The world, your mother still don't recover when babies killed. The trial and the tribulation, the numerous education. The view of a body wasted, use of body ain't make it. The angst, the adolescence, the reason I ask this question. When you let hip hop die, I'm not over 20 seconds. When you let hip hop die, I'm not over 20 seconds. Take a shit and put some weed up. Go meet you a lick, go fuck on a bitch, don't go to work today. Copy a fit, or maybe some kids and make it.
Konti na lang.